experience. The spoken English class at High-Tech Computer University, Shabad, has given me a very powerful language. Experience spoken English helped to improve my English speaking, English writing, speech.
My name is Krishna. I would like to share my spoken English learning experience. I learned English communication at High-Tech Computer University, Shabad. I have best trainer, Sir Mr. Bhimaraya sir. Sir will teach excellently and clearly. I built my confidence, I built my vocabulary, and I got stage courage. And I learned how to give speech, and I learned how to end speech, many more things. And this course helped me more in my personal developing. And one more thing, I say to thank you High-Tech Computer and thank you Bhimaraya.
ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕಲಿಬೇಕೆಂಬ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಹೊಂದಿದವರು ಅಟ್ ಹೈಟೆಕ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಶಾಬಾದ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತರಬೇತಿ ಕೊಡಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಹೊಂದಿದವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ದೂರವಾಣಿ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗೆ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ನೋಂದಾಯಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ.